doing? So, it has been a while since I've posted my last video. In fact, technically, this is my first video on this channel because all the other videos I have deleted. And I'm going to explain that in this video. So, let's get started. So, the first thing I want to talk about is, the main content that I was doing on this channel previously, which was Animal Jam. I have now quit the game because I was sort of forcing myself to play at that point. So I just wanted to get that out of the way. My friend now owns the account, and yeah. So next, the YouTube thing. So basically, it was such a stress for me to edit all the videos, which is why I ended up giving up on editing any of the videos. But then after that, I really wasn't a fan of them, and I was also losing time because I was having to do more school and stuff. So yeah. And I just didn't enjoy it. I was inspired by multiple people. I'll talk about that in a second. Yeah. I just really never felt encouraged to make any videos or anything like that, and it was just sort of a chore as well, just like the Animal Jam thing. It was a chore to do it. So yeah. So I will be continuing making videos with the exact thing, about that exact Discord notification you saw a second earlier. A YouTuber, a Minecraft Pocket Edition YouTuber called Timmy Boy, has released a new SMP called Pocketcraft, and I am the one who owns the realm, and I have decided that I will be occasionally posting a video on it, and I will be posting one very soon, actually. And yeah, so just wanted to say that I'm gonna be posting that kind of video. I will also be sending a link to Timmy Boy's video and Timmy Boy's channel, and I suggest you subscribe to him. I don't care if you subscribe to me, but I wouldn't mind if you subscribe to him, because he's cool. But that's pretty much all I wanted to say, so yeah, I will see you later. Peace. This guy is using, there, they're gonna vote me. I think it's too late. I'm just gonna skip. Oh, wait. anyway, see ya.